Well, I'm gonna give you all an update. As you can tell, it's wet. Plant 19's on hold again. We got rain last night. It's still raining today. It's kind of drizzly right now this morning here. About to get 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches of rain. Only got 2/10 so far, but more's coming. But you can see it's wet. But yeah, we'll just rain. Not letting anything. Not letting anything. You can hear thunder. You can hear the thunder. I hear you see the dark. You can see the darkness over there in the sky. Dark over there. Pretty dark. Our project kind of for this morning here. Our project kind of for this morning. Whoa, okay, lightning over there. Is this thing. This thing here, you can see how the wings are kind of cocked on both ends. And they kind of cocked up. We'll let the thing completely down on the ground like it is. And this wing's kind of cocked up a little bit, and that wing's kind of cocked up a little bit. Well, this cylinder right here is bad. And you got a crack. You can't tell about that. It's wet now, but you got a crack in it. The cylinder does. So we have to unhook. We gotta take this off. We gotta take the cylinder off and get a new cylinder for this thing. We're probably gonna replace this one too. Then you got a cylinder here. You got a cylinder there that runs. You got a cylinder there that folds it up, and you got this cylinder here that controls the wing like this. And then you got 2 on this side. You got 2 on that side, 2 on this side. And we're probably gonna replace this one. And then so yeah, that's the project for today. Is to do that. Is to do that. And to get a new cylinder and put that on. But it takes too wide to get in the shop, fold out. So we have that here because you can't fold it out in the shop because it's too wide. Plus we got the plant in and out of the rain, so we can't do this. We only work on this in the rain, but we got it folded out and ready to go anyway. And get good greasing. This thing has a million grease at times. We got it good greasing. So we're just kind of hoping that don't rain too much so we can get back in the field. So yeah. We got some beans. We got this field planted beans, and then we got this field out here planted soybeans. And then we got and the beans actually up. Over here the beans are up. And I kind of walk ahead and show y'all the beans a little bit. And the corn is, well, the cornfields we got planted aren't. I can show y'all those. I can show you guys those later. You see how muddy it is. We got 2 inches rain. Just look how freaking muddy it is. It's ridiculous. This is coming off of the reason it's so muddy is because we had 1.5 inches of rain. Today is Thursday. We got 1.5 inches of rain on Monday, so that's why it's so muddy. But yeah, you can see the beans. Well, maybe you can see the beans. You can see them here. They look pretty good. Here. This is a low spot in the field. This is the low spot, real low flat spot in the field. But the beans are. You can kind of roll them down there. This is the point where we're planting down the ditch, and anyway. But yeah, the beans look pretty good. They look pretty good. This water, they need some dry. They need some dry on them. But they look pretty good down through there. Of course, up there, it's going to get more slopey up there, but they look better. But the beans are up. Look pretty good. These are planted at 130. These are planted at, we did some population tests here. We started out planting at 130. And then that's what we normally plant our full season beans at 130. And then we decreased it to, we got down to 90. Before we got through it, we kept bumping it down 10,000 plants per acre. We kept bumping it down 10,000 plants per acre, a few acres out here. And there's a few patches out here in this field that's 90,000. So we'll see how that turns out yield wise. So yeah, that's really about all I got for y'all today. Just a quick update on what's going on. And here more rain. Wet sky looks interesting. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.